drama, few things match the raw adrenaline of a police chase. Captured on dash cams across the country, these aren't scenes from a movie. They're 100% real. Buckle up, because today we're counting down the top 5 wildest police chases caught on Dashcam in 2025. From near misses to jaw-dropping maneuvers, you won't believe how these ended.
Spotting the silver Mustang with mismatched plates, Officer Booth prepared to pull it over, but immediately the driver fled. What could be hiding behind this sudden escape?
CMS received.
Sorry, took the hallway.
Williams sped the wrong way down North Locust Street at over 115 miles per hour. Crashing into a sign, the car wrecked. The police attempted a pit maneuver, but he still sped off as if nothing had happened. Turning into a dead end, Williams was hit by a second TVI, forcing him to abandon the car and flee on foot. He ran toward the railroad tracks but was quickly caught. The car was towed, and Williams
Pulled up on us. We tried to.
December 19th, 2023. Arkansas, federal and state warrants were closing in on Mario Donnell Pate, wanted for fraud, robbery, and organized drug trafficking. But when officers moved in on a sting set by an inside source, Mario saw through the trap. He hit the gas, nearly striking an officer, and launched a high-stakes chase that would end in tragedy. Mario sped out of Mount City at breakneck speed, weaving through civilian traffic and onto Interstate 40, where the danger to the public skyrocketed. Leading the charge was Arkansas State Police Officer Garrett Byrd, who locked onto Mario's Chevrolet Impala. The suspect reached 140 miles per hour, hugging the curb and weaving through cars like a missile with no destination but chaos.
Interstate, up 281.
The patrol unit held steady at an average speed of 36 miles per hour, clinging to the fleeing Impala like glue. At those blistering speeds and with traffic rapidly shifting around them, there was no time, no safe window to deploy spike strips or set up a roadblock. This was pure pursuit, raw and relentless.
He's passing on the shoulder, 282 eastbound. Still about a quarter mile ahead of me.
16 miles.
I'm definitely safe.
283.
As Trooper Bird moved in on the left flank to initiate a PIT maneuver, Mario suddenly slammed the brakes, triggering a violent high-speed collision. The impact sent Mario's vehicle spiraling out of control, hurtling over the median, flipping multiple times before coming to rest upside down in a mangled wreck. Officers rushed to the overturned vehicle, smashing glass and cutting airbags. Mario was unresponsive, his upper body twisted into the back seat, legs trapped up front. EMS pronounced him dead on scene. No seatbelt, no second chance. One reckless decision ended in steel, silence, and a body bag. Arkansas doesn't wait for a tragedy to strike. Troopers PIT at any speed. Is this bold action saving lives or pushing the limits of acceptable force? Would you want this policy in your state, or is it a step too far?
TBI.
I'm east of here.
July 12, 2023, St. Francis County, Arkansas. What started as a routine traffic stop on I-40 turned into a dangerous high-speed pursuit when the gray Teslas rented through Truro refused to stop. With speeds in the 100 miles per hour range, the officers had to act quickly. The chase was on.
On the Walmart exit. Right there, right lane.
The cars continued to accelerate. One exited the 2075 ramp, but the other sped forward, weaving across lanes and passing stopped vehicles on the right.
Stopping up here, be careful.
West Memphis police deployed spike strips near the Ingram Street overpass, successfully shredding the tires, but the suspect kept going, barreling down the highway at dangerous speeds.
Go 40, 40. Whole traffic hit it.
Two PETs couldn't take him down. Maybe they just didn't hit hard enough. It was clear the next move had to be decisive.
Hey. Yeah, wait. Alright, TBI, successful, good work, kid. I got it, over that tire. TBI.
More force than ever, a powerful TVI sent the suspect's car spinning near mile marker 28.2, slamming it into the guardrail.
TBI.
The wheels off. Game over. One hard-hitting move left him with zero options. Just like that, it was all over. Driver Williams faces charges for marijuana possession, drug paraphernalia, reckless driving, fleeing, no insurance, unauthorized vehicle use, and aggravated assault for hitting a patrol car. Passenger Taylor is charged with drug and paraphernalia possession, a birthday trip to Dallas cut short by spike strips, handcuffs, and felony charges.
Driver accident. No, we're not. What's that deputy?
August 20, 2024. Interstate went to a Thurida. A yellow Chevrolet Malibu speeds across the Alabama-Florida state line, fleeing Alabama State Police and leading a multi-agency chase.
Old Chevy Malibu. Old Chevy Malibu, third tag. Old Chevy Malibu. Stay here. 50 minutes. North King 08, Charles at the time. North King. Chevy Malibu. We're almost there. I got trunk with the lieutenant. Told him to cut off. You know where they're at now? Because I'm at the 7 mile mark.
I walked around and down to the interstate. What was that number again?
What's that tag again?
MC5.
That's the location. North King 08.
The moment Florida police hit the lights and sirens, the Malibu roared past 120 miles per hour, slicing recklessly through traffic. Then, in a wild move, the suspect shot across the grass and flipped a U-turn, forcing officers to spin around and give chase all over again.
Yeah, behind it. Remember King, Tulu, hey Charles. Eastbound, 1 marker 7. Speeds 117.
The suspect barreled straight into an active construction zone, narrowly missing a parked patrol car in a heart-stopping near collision. It was inches from disaster.
Yeah, get it up.
The driver sped through at high velocity, with sirens wailing behind him, prompting nervous drivers to swerve aside, scrambling to clear the way and stay safe.
Sure that is what's coming. Just with me. Where y'all at? Come on, one more chicken.
At mile marker 11, officers seized the moment. With open traffic ahead, a precise PAT maneuver was executed. The Malibu spun out, crossed multiple lanes, and slammed into the guardrail on the southbound shoulder. The vehicle was disabled, momentum lost. The escape was over. Sajid Kelly approached tactically with his weapon drawn, and the suspect was taken into custody without further incident. The suspect now faces multiple charges, including fleeing and eluding law enforcement, reckless driving, and aggravated assault for nearly causing a crash. A tense pursuit ended with precision and a long list of charges.
Yeah, you'll love it there.
I know.
Were her actions in the back of that patrol car just everyday foolishness or a bold act of defiance? Even the K9s would have had something to say. Let's hope the courtroom gives her plenty of time to think things through. Friday morning, June 14, 2024, Chippewa County, Wisconsin. A terrified woman called 911. She was trapped inside a stolen semi-truck barreling down the highway. The driver, Michael Stephen Jones, 47, from St. Louis, enraged after being fired just moments earlier. What followed was a multi-county chase fueled by fury. Law enforcement laid down multiple spike strips, shredding rubber and leaving tire debris scattered across the road. But Jones didn't stop. He kept pushing forward, making an already dangerous situation far more alarming. A giant metal monster, dragging itself without tires, belching a thick plume of smoke into the air. The screech of its bare rims grinding against the pavement echoed with every turn, leaving deep scratches in the pavement behind it.
All units, Everett's going to make an approach on the left side.
You could feel the tension spike the moment that massive military vehicle rolled in. Its presence alone said one thing loud and clear. This was about to end, and fast. Just as predicted, the truck caught fire and slammed into a ditch, finally coming to a stop. There she was. The woman had made it out safely. Dazed, he stepped out and seemed ready to surrender, then twitched as if to run again. But it was too late. Dozens of officers were already in position, surrounding him from every angle. There was no road left, except the one straight to jail. Jones was booked into Juneau County Jail, facing 7 charges including false imprisonment, fleeing law enforcement, and reckless endangerment. If convicted on all counts, he could spend 33 years behind bars and owe $90,000 in fines. A personal breakdown turned public threat. One bad decision, lifelong consequences.